What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Decred, currently trading for $38, country rank number 80 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $186 and as low as $19.98. Currently, Decred has a market cap of $541 million. In this video, we're looking at the Decred US dollar price chart. Should we start accumulating more right now? What's our bear market strategy for Decred? From the all-time high of around $245, it dumped really low during the bear market. It dumped to as low as $20, 91% from the all-time high. In this video, we're looking at the Decred Bitcoin valuation chart. Should we start flipping our Bitcoin for some Decred right now? Also looking at Decred's performance against Ethereum. How is it performing against the number one altcoin in the market? And then we'll take a look at Decred's market cap. How high can it go in this relief rally? How low can it go in the bear market? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money holding, trading, or investing in Decred, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you don't get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording of this video, in the last 1 year, Decred is down 75.7%. But the good news is that in the last 1 month, it's up 63.9%. In the last 1 week, it's up 39.6%. We've had the green months in the altcoin market. Altcoins are going to the moon. Politeia is up 244%. Ethereum Classic is up 143%. Rose is up 104%. Altcoins are going crazy. Even in the last 1 week, altcoins are still pumping. Should we start buying some Decred right now? That's the $1,000,000 question. We can see that during the bear market, Decred dumps really hard. The previous bear market for it in 2018 from the top. In January 2018, it dumped really hard till it found its bottom during the COVID sell-off in 2020. It took it 791 days to dump 93% from its all-time high before it started pumping. And we see that during the bull run, it pumps very, very hard. During the bull run, it went from as low as $8.31 to as high as $242, which represented a 2,876% pump. So one thing we have known from the quick glance at the Decred US dollar price chart on the weekly time frame is that when the market is pumping, it pumps really hard. When the market is dumping, it dumps really hard. Before we dive into the Decred US dollar price chart, let's look at what Decred is and why we want to hold it during the bear market. Guys, Decred is money evolved by combining battle-tested proof of work with an innovative take on proof of stake that places coins holders in charge of shaping the future. Decred is able to adapt to challenges and innovate at a rapid pace. You acquire influence in Decred by putting skin in the game. What makes Decred unique? Decred is an innovative project because it bets on blockchain technology decentralized nature to prevent monopoly over voting status in the project itself. One of the main goals of the Decred protocol is to ensure that all DCR holders have the same amount of decision-making power and that large institutions cannot swing the votes in their favor. If you want to buy some to hold through the bear market before start looking at the price chart, guys, this is a very, very popular altcoin. We have 58,000 people that have it on their watch list. Currently ranked number 80 on CoinMarketCap. The maximum supply is 21 million coins. We have 14 million of those coins in circulation. It has a fully diluted market cap of $805 million and a market cap of $546 million. Where can you get some Decred if you want to hold some through in the bear market? You can get it on Binance, Git.io, KuCoin, Polinex, Bittrex, and guys, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, you can get these altcoins. Let's take a look at the Decred US dollar price chart. This is the Decred US dollar price chart on the weekly time frame, February 2016 till August 2022. We have over 6 years worth of price history for Decred. We have seen it going through a bull run, a bear market, a bull run, and now it's going through another bear market. During the first bear market, when Decred was launched in 2016, it dumped really hard. It lost 87% of its value till December 2016 when altcoins started going crazy. 2017 was a crazy year for altcoins. Everything and anything you held in 2017 was going to the moon at a very, very rapid pace, and Decred went from $0.39 to as high as $130 in 2018. It went up over 34,000%. Guys, that is wild pump if you ask me. From the bottom of the market, we invested $1,000 in Decred right here on the 19th of December 2016. Guys, you got to cash out over $344,000 at the top of the market. But guys, with all the huge pumps during the bull run, always comes huge dump during the bear market. And what did Decred do during the 2018 bear market? It dumped really hard, just like every other altcoin. it went from as high as $121 to as low as $8. It lost over 93% of its value in approximately 800 days. That's what happens to altcoins during the bear market. They can dump really hard, but guys, as I showed you guys just right now with Decred during the bull run, it can go crazy, and that's exactly what happened the next bull run. After the bear market was over, after it was dumped 93% from the all-time high, what did Decred do? It went on another gigantic bull run. This time around, in 427 days, it went up over 3,000%. Guys, if you had invested $1,000 at the bottom right here, you got to cash out another $30,000 at the bottom. So these altcoins can give you huge profits, but when they dump, you don't want to be holding illiquid altcoins. They can dump really hard, and from that all-time high that is set of $256 in 2021 April, since then it has been dumping really hard. It has dumped another 92% in the bear market. To the $1,000,000 question, is this the right time to buy? We know that anytime altcoins drop from 90 to 96% of their value during the bear market, that has usually been a good time to buy. But guys, has enough time elapsed for us to say the bear market is over? Because we can see that in the previous bear market, the bear market took us more than 400 days for the crest to truly find its bottom. From December 2018, where a lot of individuals thought that was the bottom, it didn't find its true bottom till March 2020. That's more than 18 months for it to find its true bottom. Will history repeat itself? Or maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in from the bottom that came in for Decred right here around $20 on the 13th of June 2020. It went up over 200% to as high as $61. But $61 is a huge resistance for Decred, and we saw that it got rejected of that region, swiftly got rejected of that region. You can see that price has interacted with that $61 quite a number of times, and if you ask me, I would have said it overshot itself, because guys, we expected the huge resistance for Decred to come around $46, but it had a wonderful pump and it took it above $46. You can see that $46 has been a critical level for Decred in 2017 June, after we had that wonderful rally that took it from the bottom of 0.4. It got stopped out right there at $47. That was a huge resistance level. And when we started dumping in 2018, we had a bounce off that level. In the same 2018, we got rejected off that level, and that led us to gobbling town for Decred. We couldn't pass $46. Decred was stuck on that $46 from October 2018 till January 2021 before Decred finally popped. In 2021, Decred went above $46, but when we started going to gobbling town, with market started dumping from as high as $244, Decred consolidated around that $46 region before it finally broke through. Right now, it looks as if $46 is acting as resistance. It looks as if we're going to see further downsides for Decred. From the all-time high of $246, if we see Decred coming back to the COVID lows, that will represent a 96% dump, and it looks as if that might be the bottom, and that important level I want Decred to reach in this bear market, which I see it getting to, will be this $14 region. If Decred gets to $14 or below $14, that will be a very good accumulation region to buy this coin during the bear market. Before we buy Decred during the bear market, guys, we have to ask ourselves some important questions. Why should we buy it during the bear market? Is it outperforming Bitcoin? Is it outperforming Ethereum? And will it be a good hold during the bear market? I've showed you guys where we can get some during the bear market. You can get some on your favorite exchanges. Now, should we get it instead of getting some Ethereum? For Ethereum, Decred has not been performing well against Ethereum since February 2016. It has not gotten to that all-time high against Ethereum. It has been dumping really hard. As a matter of fact, since 2016, Decred has lost over 96% of its value against Ethereum. So will it be a nice hold during the bear market? And the maximum pump we have seen in Decred against Ethereum came in October 2016, when Decred pumped at 650% against Ethereum, which took it to the previous buy price, the previous launch price for Decred against Ethereum. Since then, got rejected off that level. We have not been able to set new all-time highs for Decred against Ethereum. We have been setting lower highs. Even the rally we had in 2021, guys, it took Decred from as low as 0.29 against Ethereum to as high as 0.09 against Ethereum, and that was just a 242% rally, which was not enough for us to set new all-time highs, and we started dumping again after that. 2021 April till now, Decred has lost another 84% of its value against Ethereum. So it doesn't look as if Decred will be a good hold during the bear market against Ethereum. But guys, against Bitcoin, what's the story against Bitcoin? Against Bitcoin, when the market is pumping to the upside, you want to be holding one of these altcoins, because guys, we saw in 2016 what Decred do against Bitcoin. It pumped really hard. It went up over 4,800% in just 84 days. When the market is in up only region, you want to be holding altcoins. Even in 2021, what did Decred do against Bitcoin? from October 2020 till it topped in April 2021. The grade went up more than 450% in 210 days. But guys, is the gig over? A lot of these altcoins will probably never set new all-time highs against Bitcoin or against Ethereum. So should we be expecting Decred to pop to new all-time highs during the bear market, which I don't think would be possible, because history has shown that during the bear market, just like the rest of the altcoin market, Decred actually dumps really hard. I wouldn't expect Decred to pump another 1,200% against Ethereum to set new all-time highs. Or should we be expecting to set a new all-time low? It's setting a new all-time low from where we are right now. It has to dump another 72% against Bitcoin, which is very, very possible. We can see that the RSI for Decred against Bitcoin topped right here in April 2021. And on the weekly time frame, the RSI just turned on itself. August 2022 looks as if we're going to be seeing new all-time lows. Only time will tell. If we take a look at Decred market cap, the market cap got to as high as $3 billion at the top of the bull run in 2021. Decred's market cap was at $3.2 billion. But guys, during the bull run, everything was going up in a straight line. In 2018, the market cap was just as a measly $800 million. In 2022, it went up 4x from the previous all-time high. But right now, the market cap is currently at $538 million, which is actually an improvement from the bottom of this cycle. Guys, Decred in the bottom of this cycle got to as low as $289 million. Should we start accumulating some right now? We want to wait for the end of the bear market. Decred has showed us over time that during the bear market, that's where you want to be dollar cost averaging. You want to buy some here, buy some there. You don't want to go all into these altcoins. Just look at Decred. Last week, it went up over 200%. Right now, it has come down more than 50% from that top he had last week. And that's what altcoins do. They can pump really hard to the upside and they can dump really hard to the downside. So in this video, we've looked at Decred's US dollar price chart. We've seen how high it can go in the bear market. We can expect Decred to probably get to as high as $100, but I have a feeling that $46 will be the stopping point for it in the bear market, and it can go to as low as $14. Against Bitcoin, we might be expecting new all-time lows, even against Ethereum. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What will you be doing to your Decred during the bear market? Will you be buying more, expecting higher prices? Will you be selling into the pump, or will you just be holding through the chaos? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. 7